Good morning, happy homeowner. Brian Adams here with OnlyWoodFloors. My main man, partner, Miguel. Hey, got a good one today. Got a good one. Got the American Cherry hardwood floor. You don't see it that often. Turn this around and show it to you. It's not going to be a huge before and after difference. You can see a little bit of how this is faded. All of these little marks will be taken out, sanded out. That little line will be gone. All these scratches, that imperfection there. Got the dining room, kitchen. But yeah, it's like an American Cherry. Just going to be beautiful once we get it finished. Color's not going to be that different. It's just going to be